As a developer, I want to export traces from my application for OpenTelemetry in OpenShift. So first, we need to make sure that the OpenTelemetry stack is set up, and once it is, then in the services we need to go and fetch this distributor service URL. So with SAAP as a managed instance, this will be the same service URL for each. Now what we are going to do is that we need to copy this because this is what we will configure in our application. And then we need to see the 4317 port is exposed for the OTLP matrix. So I will copy this, and then in my test application, I would export the matrix. And then in the Jaeger UI that is exposed by tempo, what we'll do is that we'll view the traces over here. So this is the namespace. Nothing is running over here right now. I will create a job. So this is a job that exposes traces, and if you can see in the arguments, I am giving the OTLP endpoint. So this is the same service that we fetched earlier, and on the 4317 port, we'll create this. So it says it's started, and in the logs you can see that it's saying generation of traces isn't being throttled. That means the traces are getting generated. Now if we go to the Jaeger UI, we can select the service. So our service is named TraceGen, and for your service, whatever you'd give it the name with the traces, that would show up. If I do find traces, we can see that the traces are generating. And if I click over there, it says that the JSON client, and this is the server, and this is the hotel library name. Okay, so the job has also completed, and yep, here you can see all the traces are there. So that was the demo. Thank you.